It is indeed my great pleasure and honor to join you this morning to be part of this first ever Fiji hosted international touch tournament, and thank you to the organizers for the invitation. I convey to all our visitors from abroad our government and the people of Fiji's warmest greetings. Thank you for taking time to come to our shores for this special tournament. Bula Vinaka, and welcome to the Fiji Islands. Fiji is proud to be your host. Please make yourself at home during your days of stay, and I hope that in addition to enjoying the game, you will also find time to enjoy our Fijian beauty and the warmth of our people. Touch rugby in Fiji is considered a minor sport when considering the level of formal competitions. But when we look at the informal sports, touch rugby is a far bigger sport played by people of all ages. Touch rugby in Fiji is played in village greens, beaches, schools, streets, and with different kinds of balls, ranging from plastic bottles to coconuts to paper balls, and if you're lucky, a real rugby ball. Throughout Fiji, touch rugby is an afternoon game, played to burn off a day's energy consumption, for some to de-stress, or just simply to meet up with friends and have fun. Touch rugby, both competitive and recreational, is one of the most enjoyed forms of sports recreation here in Fiji. It is expected that this tournament will not only draw the attention of the many touch rugby enthusiasts from around the country, but also the rugby-loving followers in the country. This is a first ever for Fiji, in which our local touch heroes will have the opportunity to play against some of the best touch rugby players in the region and in the world. Touch rugby, like any other sport, brings families and communities together to play and enjoy themselves in an environment that offers both a competitive as well as friendly rivalry. And that helps to foster teamwork, discipline, as well as social cohesion and community solidarity, which are important ingredients for nation building. For this tournament, the Fiji government, through the Fiji National Sports Commission, contributed $33,000 towards the hosting of this event. The Fiji government recognizes the importance of hosting international tournaments on our shores, not only for the associated socio-economic benefits it brings, but also, and equally important, is the resultant developmental effect it has on our athletes from their exposure to high-level competition that international tournaments such as this generates. I encourage our youth to take up sports, as it will help instill and develop discipline, patience, perseverance, confidence, courage, and tolerance, which are some of the important virtues that will help you through life. To all players participating in this meet, in declaring the 2013 Trans-Pacific Touch Tournament open, let me remind you that and I quote, the sports beatitudes demands that you be a good sport and team player, be dedicated and hardworking, be safe and healthy, be grateful to God for your gifts, be excellent by giving your best, be persistent, keep trying, be positive that you're a winner, and to be sure to have fun. Thank you, and God bless you all.